Hey car fans, I'm Mike Berger with another CarSoup.com quick tip. Now it never fails, you're running late, you get in your car and the windows are all fogged up. But did you know that there's a way you can cut that defogging time in half? It was actually developed by an honest-to-God NASA engineer. Now by following his steps, you can cut your defogging time practically in half. Let me show you how. Now don't confuse defogging with defrosting. With defrosting, you've got to get outside of the vehicle and scrape the ice off the windshield. But when it comes to defogging, follow those tips and you will quickly be on your way. I'm Mike Berger with CarSoup.com and we'll see you down the road.